Hey everyone, welcome to Family Explorers. 3 weeks ago we transplanted our plants into our bed, so today we're gonna check on their progress.
They're not grown tall yet?
Let's go and see how they're doing. So Sage, first thing we're gonna look for its overall health to see how the new plants growing, okay?
This one look happy.
This one look happy, yeah. New leaves means that they currently growing strong roots. So let's have a look to see what's currently going on. So you see the roots is currently going strong in there. The leaves is nice. It don't have any. It's nice and green. So Sage, over here we have cabbage. So let's examine the cabbage to see how they're growing. Let me know what you're currently seeing. So some of the cabbage, the leaves is currently nice and green, but over here some of them is at the edge. You can see it's really brown. But we'll fix that very early on there. This is currently good as well. Overall health is good.
No brown. They have no brown.
Yeah, it have no brown in there. So for the transplanting, it turned out to be pretty decent, except for this one look a little bit damaged.
Yeah.
We just go ahead and peel it out.
Are we up there?
Yeah, it looked like somebody was playing in it and they damage it. They break the leaves in between.
Are we there?
But
Okay.
it is, so far the cabbage looks good. That's the switcha. The switcha looks kind of good, Sage.
Yeah.
It's grow good. You planted, so it looked kind of good from what you did. I was expecting it to be.
What is the happy one?
This one is the happy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you planted. Oh, this we have a little small one, so this will need to give it some more care. So we have two small ones here. We'll need to give it some more care.
One more.
Yeah, and this is the peas. I like how the peas is coming out, Fish.
Yeah.
It's coming out big. I just need to get some trellis, so we can tie them up so they can grow nice and tall. All right, and let's go ahead and have a look at the kale.
Okay.
I have some onions on there. It looks like they didn't grow.
Yeah.
It looks like it's passed out. I have some onions over here.
Yeah.
My
It
kid.
didn't grow.
It didn't grow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my kale.
One broccoli grew.
So we have the kale right there. The kale. We have some worms, like some stuff is eating it. So we,
worms?
yeah, probably worms or something is eating it. But we'll give it some neem oil to take care of
he
it
was eating it.
real soon. And then we have, like, out of the broccoli, yeah, out of all the transplants, only one broccoli survived.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, I wonder what's currently going on, why the rest didn't grow.
Yeah. I want to do it.
No, you can't do it this one. I'm just adding some salt to the.
I want to have the soil.
So whilst we're doing this, we're gonna do a moisture check. So we're gonna push our finger like an inch deep to see if it's moist or if we need to water it on there as well. Okay, so basically go ahead and do this, and you can see if it's moist or if it needs to add water or if it's like dry. As of right now, what do you think? Do you think we need to add water? I think we need to add some water because it looks a little bit dry.
Yeah. Let's add some water. It's a little bit dry.
You want to add some water?
Yeah, it's a little bit dry.
Okay. So 3 weeks in, now we see that the plant is growing strong, but we're gonna give it a little boost. We're gonna add some fertilizer to it, just to give it that extra push that is currently needed to the plants. But so far the plants looking good after the 3 weeks of transplanting. I only see like a couple of spots where they currently had a brown spot. But overall, I'm impressed. What do you think about it, Fish? You think the plants grew good or
Yes.
they grew good?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and add some fertilizer to it. So just take a look. Let me show you how to do it. You just put some around there like this.
Only that.
Just spray it around there, not too much. Okay, so now we put the fertilizer. This is it. Now we're gonna water it in. Go ahead and get the water and let's water it in.
I'm afraid.
What you doing, Zara? What are you doing?
Garden.
You watering the garden? You like to water the garden?
And the water, so they must sit. That's why taking care of them.
You like taking care of them?
Yeah, and this one is messy, and this one is sippy. That's what it is.
So you like to take care of them the same I just take care of you?
Sorry.
It's not taking mud, it's just the plant is drinking it.
Yeah.
So the same way you need water to survive, the plants need water to survive too as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're gonna be adding the tree leaf to our peas. As you can see, our peas is a little bit growing tall, so we're gonna be adding some tree leaves to hold it in place so that we don't bend over. Go and get the tree leaves, the sticks.
That's really.
Yeah, bring them over so we can add it to the plants. That way the plants are grow. Go ahead, let's put it in. So you put it in like this. Yes. Go ahead and push it down. Okay, it should be fine right here. You go ahead, climb. You go ahead. You're a big baby. You go down. So we put our pegs in for our trellis. Now we're gonna add some twine to keep our peas nice and straight so it can have something to climb on. However, as you can see, my little girl is already anxious to get it started. So they're gonna be assisting me into that project in tying the rope.
It's on the brain. Let's do more pink. It's some more pink. There's some more pink here.
Alright guys, as you can see, our plants is growing beautifully.
Come grow with us. See you on this side, guys.